Volvo Recharge concept is a plug-in hybrid electric car. The battery pack is placed under the luggage compartment floor. 4 electric motors, one at each wheel, provide independent traction. The generator recharges the batteries and powers the wheel motors when the battery is low. The car can be driven about 100 kilometers on battery power alone. When battery power gets low, the 1.6-litre flexi-fuel engine starts automatically to drive the generator, which powers the individual wheel motors and recharges the batteries. During braking, the 4 electric wheel motors operate as generators, sending power back to the battery. The batteries can be recharged via a standard electrical outlet. This can take 3 hours, but an hour or less will often be enough.